Hi guys, Ben Taylor here from PS Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to do this. Now if you don't follow us on Facebook or subscribe to us on YouTube, then you're not going to know what Minute Monday is all about. Every Monday we bring out a tutorial which you can learn in just 1 minute. So if you're like me and you don't have much time in your day because you've got family, work and business commitments, then this is just the right thing for you. Today's tutorial is going to show you how to do one-click selections. That's right, one-click selections. Adobe has brought this really cool technology out in one of the latest Photoshops, which shows you how to do selections in just one click. So without further ado, let's jump into today's tutorial and get started. Hi guys, I want to start by saying a quick thank you to everyone for joining us today for today's tutorial and really helping our community grow, because the more people we can get out to on YouTube and Facebook, the more people we can help get better at Photoshop, or even just start learning Photoshop if it's your first foray into the world of this amazing program. So today's tutorial is all about learning how to do one-click selection. So let's jump in and show you how to do that. We want to start by making sure we're on the quick selection tool here. And then if we go up to the top, this brings up something called select subject. This is the magic button, but we want to use this option in select and mask. So if we click on it here, this is going to open up Photoshop's go-to selection program. Now on the right hand side, we want to make sure the transparency is down to 0. This will show us the image that we want to make the selection out of. Now if we go up to the top here, we have select subject, which we just had before. If we click this button, this is going to, in one click, make the selection. So if you can't see that, just bring the transparency back up to 100 and look what happens. We now have a perfect selection on a transparent background. Now if this selection you're thinking, well, maybe it's not perfect, then all you need to do is change the view down to something like black, and this will show up the edge. Then simply zoom in close to the image like this. And now you can see that maybe the edge is not quite perfect, but it's done an amazing job. So just bring up the smooth here on the right hand side, and this is going to smooth out the edge. And then if we just bring up contrast, and this is going to make the edge harder. Perfect. So let's zoom out, and now we have a perfect selection. And all this has been achieved in less than 1 minute. Now what you want to do is output this to new layer at the bottom here. So just click on OK, and you now have your selection made by one click on a new layer. Thank you Photoshop for making things easy for us. Now I really want to hear if you found today's video useful. How can you let me know? Well, just leave me a comment below in the video, and then that's just going to let me know if you found it useful, and also what you're going to do with this technique. Are you going to use it for compositing to make it quicker, or anything really? Just let me know, because I love to hear from you guys. Remember to subscribe if you want to watch videos from us every single week, but you must click that notification bell. That's the magic button which notifies you when they're released. Otherwise you won't know. And if you really enjoy Minute Monday, then I've provided some arrows around about here on the screen, which are going to show you 2 other minute videos which you can learn from as well. Whatever you do today, guys, have a great day, and I'll see you all soon.